Hi and welcome to Pick and Preserve, where we kind of cover all things preserving, which is the holy quartet. That's chutneys, pickles, jams and ferments. And yeah, I thought what we'd do now is just run through a few things that I use when I go out foraging for ingredients for preserves. So I'm just going to give you a sort of kit list, I suppose. First up is the trusty Foragers Bag, long strap. To go over the shoulder or across the body so you can have your hands free. This happens to be made from old tent material from the 1970s from our family tent. We used to go on when I was a kid. Leather straps, and then inside a sort of handy, didn't mean to see that inside, it was a pocket with a zip to keep your valuables, your phone or whatever. What else have we got here? Okay, so these are heavy duty scissors. For snipping. You won't need secateurs. I don't think you should be chopping down bits of a tree that are any bigger than that can cope with. A knife, which is sort of gardener's knife with a sort of curved blade for cutting off buds and flowers and berries and whatnot. This is a notebook and a pencil, just to make any notes that you might need to. Sunglasses. Keep your eyes protected from the sun. Talking of which, sun cream. Don't need to take it with you, but slap it on before you go out if it's sunny, which it kind of is. Okay, keep hydrated. Water. So yeah, drink plenty of that. Take a canteen with you. Lip balm. Protect your lips from the wind and the sun. In this day and age, with COVID rampant, then some hand gel's useful. If you're opening styles and whatnot, where other people's hands have been. Sun protection, my trusty visor. I have many of these visors, as you'll no doubt find out, but this one's my faded blue one, quite a favourite. Keep the sun out of your eyes. Okay, plastic bag to store all your bits and bobs and your goodies that you've collected. Obviously clean inside and not full of, I don't know what else could be in there, but yeah, clean plastic bag. And this is a guidebook. This was my grandmother's guidebook actually. Yeah, birds, trees and wildflowers. We're not going to be foraging any birds, but yeah, today I'm going to go out looking for elderflowers, so that's why it's open on this page, just refreshing my memory. But I don't necessarily take that with me, it's a bit heavy, I know what I'm looking for. But if you don't know what you're looking for and you need a reference book, you probably would want someone to be with you that does know what they're doing, because if you're not sure of something, just leave it be, go out another day, read up about it, or take some advice from somebody that does. Okay, let's go. This is our 3-year-old Greek rescue dog Molly, who comes out with me, and I was hoping to train her as a truffling dog, but right now I'd just be happy if she actually came back when I called her. Right then, Moll, come on, let's go find those elderflowers. Come on, let's go. Hush, hush.